The forensic toxicologist who examined the blood sample of Jefferson Dance testified Dance had a blood alcohol concentration 3.5 times the legal limit when the deadly crash happened around midnight, April 9th, 2022, in Wasaga Beach. The horrific video played for the court shows the seconds before the Tesla appears to smash into the back of the Nissan Juke, driven by 62-year-old Jim Lynn. The Crown alleges Dance was driving drunk and dangerously, reaching a top speed of 196 kilometers per hour prior to the crash. The toxicologist spoke to the effects alcohol impairment has on driving, steering, and processing speed and distance when approaching other objects and cars. A police officer testified seeing what he believed to be a gray vehicle speeding along Mosley Street that night and clocked the car at 148 kilometers per hour. Approximately a minute later, he said he saw a Tesla stopped on the road ahead of a heavily damaged overturned vehicle. A paramedic testified arriving on scene moments later where he checked on the man inside the Nissan, noticing extensive injuries. As the paramedic described his efforts to save Lynn's life, Dance wiped tears from his eyes in the courtroom. A nurse who treated Dance in hospital after the crash testified the accused told her his head felt like it was on fire and burning. The witness recalled Dance saying he couldn't live with himself if something happened to his friend. A man who told the court he and Dance shared 2 bottles of wine at a restaurant in Thornbury over dinner before having drinks in a Wasaga Beach restaurant watching the Leafs game. Dance and his friend were seen on surveillance video leaving the restaurant minutes prior to the deadly crash. The man testified Dance was behind the wheel. The trial is scheduled to continue tomorrow with further Crown witness testimony. Mike Arsleedy, CTV News, Barrie.